Welcome to Crypto Housewife, and today let's talk a little bit about Litecoin and the LiteCoin Trust, which can be bought on the stock market. Kind of interesting stuff today to look at. Welcome to Crypto Housewife. Please hit that bell to be notified when my next Litecoin video comes out. So Litecoin price right now, $60.77, but it pumped up to, let's just say 64.58, roughly 64.58. And 4 days ago, it was at $51, 51 to 60, let's say 65. Pretty good jump. $15, $16 right there in 4 days. Just, I don't know, things are just going kind of good this week for crypto. Not going to say too much about it. Let's just hope the wave continues. But what I really want to talk about is this. And this is Grayscale Litecoin Trust. I do hold some Grayscale Bitcoin Cash Trust, just for the record. I don't hold any of this, but I am a big fan of Cathie Wood, the hedge fund manager for ARK. And we'll get into the Grayscale Litecoin Trust website in a second or two. But we'll just look at their chart. So try to zoom it in a little bit. You guys can see this. Interesting stuff. Some of us are hoping that we have hit our bottom and are turning around. Bitcoin was hitting up to like 24,500 today being July 29th, 2022. So we're having a pretty good run. The Grayscale Litecoin Trust is interesting because there's a lot of people out there who just don't dare to get into crypto the way like you and I will literally buy crypto on an exchange or on a swap, and we'll put it in our wallet or a hard wallet, whatever. And then with the wallets, the thing about the wallets is it's out there. Like you, if I know what your wallet address is, I can see inside your wallet. And there are a lot of people who just feel uncomfortable about that, especially old money. People who are investors, they have, pretty good sized portfolios. They've been in the game for decades. They don't like the idea so much of being able to look into their wallet and see what cryptos they're holding. Okay, I get it. And another alternative to holding crypto, but without actually owning the crypto, but benefiting from it when it goes up, or losing on it if it goes down, is to get into an ETF or a trust on a stock market, which has a lot of crypto behind it. Also, there are stocks. MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor owns a ton of Bitcoin, ton of it. And their stock now trades a lot with the ups and downs of Bitcoin, which is very interesting too. So MicroStrategy is MS. Okay, I'll look it up after. Anyway, I'm sort of getting off track here. Let's stick with Litecoin. But the point is that you can have cryptocurrency exposure through the stock market, and you don't need a wallet to do that. And have your privacy also. So just something, and also play the momentum of it, because crypto is a bit more volatile, as you know, and some people make a lot of money in volatility. Buy low and sell on the up. So again, we think we might have hit the low with this, but we're not out of the woods yet. So, but anyway, today at around 4 p.m. Eastern time on CNBC, Cathie Wood is going to talk about her investment projects, kind of like State of the Union type thing, because a lot of stuff is down. A lot of these projects are down. Grayscale Litecoin Trust is down big time. Let's just jump weekly for a second. And her other ones too. She has a lot of projects, a lot of things people can buy into on the stock exchange, which are crypto related. Oh my goodness, I better just reset this chart. So this trust all-time high was, wow, $500. That was November 2020. 500, then it went down to 453, and now we're trading at $3.80. $3.80, unreal. Okay, but everything was down, right? We know that. It just kind of came back in, especially this started to fall earlier than the famous dump at the end of 2021, 2022. So I don't know what's going to happen with this. Is it possible to at least get to here, 27 $28, maybe. Not financial advice. Can't predict the future. Don't know what's going to happen. But it's just interesting because I do like everything about cryptocurrency. I like watching the stock market plays also. I'm paying attention to everything because Wall Street loves Bitcoin. Wall Street is starting to like crypto more and more. And some of the hedge fund managers like Cathie Wood, she sees far. Yeah, she has to, sweat it out while things come crashing down. And she has. But some people are they see far. They get into innovative technology. They're on a cutting edge. And they, like I said, they see far. And today she will be talking on CNBC. I've got to watch that. I have to watch that, hear what she has to say about it. And we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens with it. So, like I said, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to get in, get out. It's more to bring awareness to it. There's a lot of things out there in crypto that are outside of just crypto exchanges and swaps. There's a lot. It is now traded, on the stock market. There is Bitcoin futures out there. There are Bitcoin ETFs, spot ETFs in Canada and other countries, not in the United States yet, but it will come. I'm pretty sure it will come at some point. But there are still ways to trade on the stock market and have crypto exposure. Just, keep an open mind. And her Grayscale, we'll jump over that. We're there right now. Grayscale Litecoin Trust and whatever. It's just something to think about. Like I said, I'm not saying to get in. This thing could pull back even more. And I don't know how high it will go up. I don't know. And she has many, many different trusts out there that are based on cryptocurrency. Very interesting stuff. I know you might not have heard about this, but yeah, I heard about it. And I just, I'm just interested in it. Anything crypto, anything stock market, but I'm more crypto focused than I have been for, my gosh, about a year, maybe over a year. I've been more just plain crypto focused, and anything stock market was more, okay, what could I do? How could I get Bitcoin exposure, for example, through the stock market? And I found out. So as I find out more and more, I'll just do videos on it too, because I just find it interesting. And it also shows that Wall Street is accepting cryptocurrency more and more as a thing, as a commodity or as an investment vehicle. And they're repackaging crypto in different investment products. And it's just a very, very interesting time. And with this big market pullback, this big market dump, I see opportunities to get into different projects, like just better opportunities just because of timing. And if we check out Bitcoin just for a second, Bitcoin hit, I think it was pretty close to 24,500. This is the weekly chart. One candle equals 1 week. So it hit that either today or yesterday. And it's a good sign, because I've been saying this for months. Before we go up, we're going to go sideways and then up. But this could be a fake out. We could probably see this one kind of sideways. It was choppy, more choppy here, and we pull back in. But this was a better sideways movement here, kind of like what we see here, and then it went up. So I'm hoping we're out of the woods. And like I said, at some point we really will literally be out of the woods and on a solid uptrend, and then it'll be too late to buy the bottoms. Because the problem with the bottom is you don't know it's a bottom until after you hit it and we break out of it, and we can't go back in time. So it's interesting stuff to pay attention to. I love crypto. I love anything crypto that's related to the stock market. And the more I find out, the more I want to talk about it. Yeah, so I was going to mention MicroStrategy for a second, even though that's a Bitcoin play. And at their high, $1,315 back in February 2021. Crazy times. And then, it follows Bitcoin a lot, because they hold so much Bitcoin. Michael Saylor is a Bitcoin maxi to the max and only has good things to say about Bitcoin. Of course, when you hold that much Bitcoin, you better. But anyway, anybody who gets into MicroStrategy, of course, MicroStrategy has a product, a service and stuff, but I see it as more of a Bitcoin play, because they have so much Bitcoins, and it does tend to follow Bitcoin. Bitcoin dumps, well, MicroStrategy pulls into. And yeah, so okay, that's it. That's my Litecoin speech for today. If you guys could please hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video, and hit that bell to be notified when my next Litecoin video comes out. And you guys, thanks for watching, and go out and have yourself a really good day. Bye-bye.